Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Dunk High by Nike in the retro vast grey and white colorway. These released on the 14th of January 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £95. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Nike and it comes in your classic red and white Nike box. The style code is DD1399100 and inside the box comes the shoes in white wrapping paper. No accessories come with this pair, an extra set of white laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Like its name suggests, this is a grey and white synthetic leather Dunk High. Grey overlays can be seen on the leather swooshes that sits on both sides of the mid panel, the heel, eyelets and toe, finished off with grey insoles and outsoles. It's another clean Nike Dunk High design. It's very easy to style and looks great on feet. The leather used on this is the standard smooth synthetic leather. Unfortunately, it's not as soft as the previous Dunk Highs, like the Spartan Green and Pure Platinums, and expect the usual Nike defects like slightly inconsistent levers, stitching errors and glue stains. Sizing wise, these fit similar to the Air Force 1, so I could comfortably go down half a size as I did in this video. Comfort wise, these are your full air cushioning sole, which is fine for casual use and decent all day comfort. So the question is, are these a 2 pairs minimum? I'll have to give these a 0 pairs minimum because it doesn't feel like a mandatory pickup, it just feels like another general release. I wish that Nike released these with better quality leather as the previous releases, that soft tumbled leather. And I was actually looking forward to this release a lot, similar to the Spartan Green because I like this clean, simple color blocking. So here are my thoughts, now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Can we just pause? Let me show you guys how outside looks.
Look at that. It's snowing out here in London. What is going on?
I really can't believe it's snowing today. Anyway, because of that, don't forget to comment snow to show me you watch this video to the end. Please like, comment and subscribe if you like my content. Follow me on my social media links. And apart from that, have a good day.